Which cell is called the scavenger cell of the body? Option A, neutrophil. Option B, macrophage. Option C, basophil. Option D, eosinophil. The correct answer is option B, macrophage. Macrophages engulf and digest cellular debris, microbes, and foreign substances, hence called scavenger cells. Which cell is called the scavenger cell of the body? The correct answer is option B, macrophage, called scavenger cell of the body. The most common cause of cell injury is option A, physical agents, option B, hypoxia, option C, chemical agents, option D, microbial infection. The correct answer is option B, hypoxia. Oxygen deprivation is the most frequent cause of cell injury, leading to ATP depletion and necrosis. Most common cause of cell injury is hypoxia. Apoptosis is also known as pathological cell death. Option B, programmed cell death. Option C, necrosis. Option D, autolysis. The correct answer is programmed cell death. Apoptosis is a genetically regulated cell death without inflammation, unlike necrosis. Apoptosis is also known as programmed cell death. Cognitive necrosis is most commonly seen in option A, brain, option B, heart, option C, liver, option D, pancreas. The correct answer is option B, heart. Myocardial infarction is a classical example of cognitive necrosis. Cognitive necrosis is most commonly seen in heart. Myocardial infarction is the classical example of cognitive necrosis. Liquefactive necrosis is typically seen in option A, spleen, option B, heart, option C, brain, option D, kidney. The correct answer is option C, brain. Ischemic injury to brain leads to liquefactive necrosis due to high lipid content. Liquefactive necrosis is typically seen in brain. Gaseous necrosis is characteristic of option A, tuberculosis, option B, syphilis, option C, typhoid, option D, malaria. The correct answer is tuberculosis. Granulomas in TB shows cheese-like necrosis. Gaseous necrosis is characteristic of tuberculosis. Granulomas in TB show cheese-like necrosis. Fatty change in liver is most commonly due to option A, tuberculosis, option B, alcoholism, option C, diabetic insipidus, option D, leukemia. The correct answer is option B, alcoholism. Alcohol interferes with lab fat metabolism in hepatocyte causing fatty liver. Fatty change in liver is most commonly due to option B, alcoholism. The term oncogene refers to option A, tumor suppressor gene, option B, gene causing cancer, option D, DNA repair gene. The correct answer is option B, gene causing cancer. Oncogenes are mutated proto-oncogenes that drive uncontrolled cell proliferation. The term oncogene refers to gene causing cancer. Tumor suppressor gene known as guardian of the genome. Option A, RB gene. Option B, BRCA1 gene. Option C, P53 gene. Option D, APC gene. The correct answer is P53 gene. Option C. P53 prevents propagation of damaged DNA, hence called guardian of genome. Tumor suppressor gene are known as Reed Sternberg cells are characteristic of non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Option B, Hodgkin lymphoma. Option C, multiple myeloma. Option D, leukemia. The correct answer is option B, Hodgkin lymphoma. Read Sternberg cells. All eye appearance are diagnostic of Hodgkin lymphoma. Which is a tumor maker for prostate cancer? Option A, CEA. Option B, AFP. Option C, PSA. Option D, CA 125. The correct answer is PSA. Prostate specific antigen is widely used for screening prostate carcinoma. Burkitt's lymphoma is associated with which virus? Option A, hepatitis B virus. Option B, Epstein-Barr virus. Option C, HPV, human papilloma virus. Option D, CME, cytomegalovirus. The correct answer is option B, Epstein-Barr virus. EBV infection plays a role in endemic Burkitt's lymphoma in Africa. Burkitt's lymphoma is associated. Multiple myeloma is characterized by overproduction of option A, T lymphocytes. Option B, plasma cells. Option C, B lymphocytes. Option D, neutrophils. The correct answer is option B, plasma cells. Multiple myeloma involves malignant proliferation of plasma cells producing abnormal immunoglobulins. Multiple myeloma is characterized by overproduction of plasma cells. Philadelphia chromosome is associated with option A, CLL. Option B, CML. Option C, AML. Option D, all. The correct answer is CML. Philadelphia chromosome is characteristic of chronic myeloid leukemia. The most common type of lung cancer in smokers is option A, adenocarcinoma. Option B, squamous cell carcinoma. Option C, small cell carcinoma. Option D, large cell carcinoma. The correct answer is option B, squamous cell carcinoma. Squamous cell carcinoma strongly correlated with smoking. The most common type of lung cancer in smokers is nutmeg liver is seen in option A, cirrhosis. Option B, conjunctive heart failure. Option C, hepatitis. Option D, fatty liver. The correct answer is option B, conjunctive heart failure. Chronic passive congestion of liver gives a malted appearance like nutmeg. Nutmeg liver seen in congestive heart failure. The most common primary malignant bone tumor is option A, osteosarcoma. Option B, chondrosarcoma. Option C, ring sarcoma. Option D, multiple myeloma. The correct answer is option A, osteosarcoma. Osteosarcoma is the most frequent primarily malignant tumor of bone affecting young adults. The most common primary malignant bone tumor is osteosarcoma. Myelidosis is due to deposition of option A, fatty acids. Option B, abnormal proteins. Option C, cholesterol. Option D, pigments. The correct answer is option B, abnormal proteins. Myelidosis results from extracellular deposition of misfolded insoluble proteins. Myelidosis is due to deposition of abnormal proteins. Ring sideroblast or seen. Option A, iron deficiency anemia. Option B, sideroblastic anemia. Option C, megaloblastic anemia. Option D, aplastic anemia. The correct answer is option B, sideroblastic anemia. Abnormal erythroblast with iron-laden mitochondria form ring sideroblast. Ring sideroblasts are seen in sideroblastic anemia. Abnormal erythroblast with iron-laden mitochondria form sideroblast rings. In hemophilia A, which factor is deficient? Option A factor 9, option B factor 8, option C factor 7, option D factor 10. The correct answer is option B factor 8. Hemophilia A is due to deficiency of clotting factor 8. In hemophilia A, which factor the most common cause of anemia worldwide is? Option A vitamin B12 deficiency, option B folate deficiency, option C iron deficiency, option D hemolysis. The correct answer is option C iron deficiency. Iron deficiency due to poor diet or blood loss is most common cause globally. The most common cause of anemia worldwide is iron deficiency. Reticulocyte count is increased in option A plastic anemia, option B hemolytic anemia, option C iron deficiency anemia, option D megaloblastic anemia. The correct answer is option B hemolytic anemia. Hemolysis stimulates bone marrow to release more immature RBCs, that is reticulocytes. Reticulocyte count is increased in hemolytic anemia. Which type of jaundice shows conjugated hyperbilirubinemia? Option A prehepatic, option B hepatic, option C posthepatic, option D all types. The correct answer is option C posthepatic. Obstructive jaundice causes accumulation of conjugated bilirubin. Miliary bodies are characteristic of option A viral hepatitis, option B alcoholic liver disease, option C hemochromatosis, option D Wilson's disease. The correct answer is option B alcoholic liver disease. Miliary bodies are damaged cytokeratin filaments seen in alcoholic hepatitis. Miliary bodies are characteristic of alcoholic liver disease. In diabetic nephropathy, the classic lesion is option A myelidosis, option B glomerulosclerosis, option C crescent formation, option D necrosis. The correct answer is option B glomerulosclerosis. Nodular glomerulosclerosis is typical in diabetes. In diabetic nephropathy, the classic lesion is which type of necrosis is seen in pancreatitis? Option A coagulative, option C liquefactive, option C fat necrosis, option C gaseous. The correct answer is option C fat necrosis. Acute pancreatitis releases lipases causing fat necrosis in peripancreatic tissues. The type of necrosis is seen in pancreatitis is fat necrosis. Councilman bodies are seen in option A viral hepatitis, option B alcoholic hepatitis, option C cirrhosis, option D steatosis. The correct answer is option A viral hepatitis. Apoptotic hepatocytes, eosinophilic ground bodies are called Councilman bodies. Which cell is characteristic of asthma? Option A basophil, option B neutrophil, option C eosinophil, option D monocyte. The correct answer is option C eosinophil. Eosinophils play a major role in asthma by releasing toxic proteins. Eosinophil cells are characteristic of asthma. The most common cause of renal stones is option A uric acid, Option B, struvite. Option C, cysteine. Option D, calcium oxalate. The correct answer is option D, calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate stones are the most common urine calculi worldwide. The most common cause of renal stones is calcium oxalate. Which vitamin deficiency leads to megaloblastic anemia? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B12. Option C, vitamin C. Option D, vitamin D. The correct answer is option B, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 deficiency causes impaired DNA synthesis, that is megaloblastic anemia. Which vitamin deficiency leads to megaloblastic anemia? The correct answer is vitamin B12. The classical feature of rheumatic heart disease is option A, Osgood bodies. Option C, Mallory bodies. Option C, Negri bodies. Option D, Levy bodies. The correct answer is Osgood bodies. Osgood nodules are pathognomic lesions of rheumatic carditis. Hemochromatosis results from option A, iron deficiency. Option B, iron overload. Option C, copper deficiency. Option D, zinc deficiency. The correct answer is iron overload. Hemochromatosis causes excessive iron deposition in tissues leading to organ damage. Wilson's disease is caused by accumulation of option A, iron. Option B, copper. Option C, zinc. Option D, lead. Option B, copper. Wilson disease is due to defective copper metabolism leading to hepatic and neurological symptoms. Wilson disease is caused by accumulation of copper. Which is the most common malignant tumor in women worldwide? Option A, breast carcinoma. Option B, ovarian carcinoma. Option C, cervical carcinoma. Option D, endometrial carcinoma. The correct answer is option A, breast carcinoma. Breast cancer is the leading cause of cancer in women globally. Most common malignant tumor in women worldwide is breast carcinoma. Array. Ring chromosome is characteristically seen in option A, Turner's syndrome. Option B, Down's syndrome. Option C, Klinefelter syndrome. Option D, Waters syndrome. The correct answer is Turner's syndrome. Ring chromosome X is often seen in Turner's syndrome. Ring chromosome is characteristically the most common benign tumor in female is option A, lymphoma. Option B, leiomyeloma. Option C, adenoma. Option D, fibroma. The correct answer is option B, leiomyoma. Uterine leiomyoma is the most common benign tumor in women. The most common benign tumor in females is leiomyoma. In myocardial infarction, the earliest enzyme to rise is option A, CKMB. Option B, LDH. Option C, AST. Option D, troponin T. The correct answer is option D, troponin D. Troponins rise within 2 to 4 hours and remain elevated longer than CKMB. Which organ is most commonly involved in metastasis? Option A, liver. Option B, lung. Option C, brain. Option D, bone. The correct answer is option A, liver. Due to dual blood supply and filtration function, The liver is the most common site of metastasis. Which organ is most commonly involved in metastasis? Option A, liver. Anthracosis is caused by deposition of option A, silica, option B, coal dust, option B, asbestosis, option D, iron. The correct answer is option B, coal dust. Inhalation of coal dust causes black pigmentation in lungs, that is anthracosis. Anthracosis is caused by deposition of coal dust. Asbestosis exposure is strongly associated with option A, squamous cell carcinoma, option B, mesothelioma, option D, adenocarcinoma, option D, sarcoma. The correct answer is mesothelioma. Asbestos exposure predisposes to malignant mesothelioma of pleura. Negri bodies are seen in option A, rabies, option B, polio, option C, measles, option D, herpes. The correct answer is option A, rabies. Negri bodies are eosinophilic inclusions in neurons infected with rabies virus. Negri bodies are seen in rabies. Which is the most common cause of Cushing syndrome? Option A, pituitary adenoma, option B, adrenal carcinoma, option D, ectopic ACTH production, option D, corticosteroid therapy. The correct answer is option D, corticosteroid therapy. Iatrogenic corticosteroid use is the most common cause of Cushing syndrome. Most common cause of Cushing syndrome is corticosteroid therapy. Iatrogenic corticosteroid use cause Cushing's syndrome. In sickle cell anemia, the defect in beta chain of hemoglobin, option B, alpha chain of hemoglobin, option C, heme synthesis, option D, RBC membrane. The correct answer is beta chain of hemoglobin. Sickle cell anemia result from point mutation in beta globin gene. In sickle cell anemia, the defect seen in beta chain of hemoglobin. Onion skin lesion in bone is seen in osteocarcinoma, option B, chondrosarcoma, option A, osteosarcoma, option B, chondrosarcoma, option C, Wings sarcoma, option D, fibrosarcoma. The correct answer is Wings sarcoma. Wings sarcoma shows characteristic onion skin periosteal reaction in radiology. Onion skin lesion is seen in bone is seen in Wings sarcoma. Wells eye inclusions are seen in option A, CMV infection, option B, EBV infection, option C, HSV infection, option D, HBV infection. The correct answer is CMV infection. Cytomegalovirus produces large cells with intranuclear holes. Russell bodies are found in option A, plasma cells, option B, neutrophils, option C, lymphocytes, option D, monocytes. The correct answer is option A, plasma cells. Russell's bodies are eosinophilic inclusions of immunoglobulins in plasma cells. Russell cell bodies are found in plasma cells. Which lymphoma is strongly linked with HIV infection? Option A, Hodgkin's lymphoma, option B, Burkitt's lymphoma, option D, diffuse large B cell lymphoma, option D, follicular lymphoma. The correct answer is option C, diffuse large B cell lymphoma. HIV infection predisposes to aggressive B cell lymphomas, especially diffuse large B cell type. The classic renal lesion in systemic lupus erythematosus is option A. Focal segmental glomerulosclerosis. Option B. Membranous nephropathy. Option C. Diffuse proliferative glomerulonephritis. Option D. Minimal change disease. The correct answer is option C. Diffuse proliferative glomerulonephritis. The most severe and common renal lesion in Bence-Jones proteins are associated with option A. Leukemia. Option B. Hodgkin's lymphoma. Option C. Multiple lymphoma. Option D. Thalassemia. The correct answer is option C. Multiple myeloma. Light chains Bence-Jones proteins are excreted in urine in multiple myeloma. Bence-Jones proteins are associated with multiple myeloma. Which is the most common type of breast carcinoma? Option A. Lobular carcinoma. Option B. Medullary carcinoma. Option C. Ductal carcinoma. Option D. Tubular carcinoma. The correct answer is option C. Ductal carcinoma. Invasive ductal carcinoma is the most common type of breast cancer. Most common type of breast carcinoma is ductal carcinoma. My dear students, if you like my content, please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.